Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Solver add-in to optimize the model that we have here on this experiment. The model is the orange line and the experimental data are the blue crosses. Clearly this is not a good match at the moment. So what we need to do first is make sure we have the Solver add-in. So File menu down to Options and then Add-ins, Excel add-ins. If it's not on Excel add-ins, you can choose Excel add-ins, press Go, and then I put a tick in the box here for Solver add-in and say OK. Now the Solver add-in will appear here on the data tab of the ribbon, and that's what I want to use. So I'll press Solver. Now, set objective. The objective I want to work with here is this number, currently 711. It is the sum of the squared residuals. Just make sure it's the one that lines up with sum and with squared residuals. I want it minimized, and what am I going to change? I'm going to change the values of these two cells here, which is the maximum and the growth factor for this. So do that, press solve. Do you see how that changed nicely? So that is now a much better fit. My squared residual sum is a lot lower than it was, and my coefficient of determination is very, very good. So I'll accept that. Now that I've got that done, that's my model. I could have adjusted them manually. When I said down here, adjust Vmax and K until you get a good fit to your data, you could have just been typing numbers in there by guessing them, or better still, it can be automated with the solver add-in. That's what I meant by that. And then the rest of this, you change the point of interest there to 0, and then the tangent line appears at the start of this experimental graph, and that number represents the maximum rate of the reaction there. So the gradient of that tangent line now is 6.47. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching.